How to add a consignor or manage your consignors. On Agro.bid, each one of your lots can be assigned a different consignor. This way, when you pull your reports, which we will get to in a later video, you'll be able to pull your reports per consignor and get a full report on their sold items and not sold items. First, you need to log in. If you need additional help, please turn on or off your tips. I'm going to turn them off for now. You are in your admin window. On the left-hand side here, you have your consignors. If you have not added any consignors yet, it'll say no consignors found. Press the plus symbol, and now we're ready to add consignors. If you are using autofill on your computer, it may autofill your username and password. You will need to clear that out because you are creating a username and password for your consignor. That way your consignor can log in and see their reports, but they cannot modify anything. You are the only one in control. First, you're going to put the email of your consignor, and it may autofill your username, whatever you want, password, first name, last name, and company name if you require it. Where they live, their state, their postal code. The asterisks show the only required fields, but I suggest you put all the information in. Country, United States, and you can put same as primary. It will autofill. Phone number. You can also add in their fax number if there's any additional emails. You can add in your contract expiration dates. This is all great information for you to have at your fingertips. You may have a commission scale. You may also have a commission rate, and that's where you would put that in. So there's your scale lookup. And scale lookup number 2. These are the 2 scales we provide. If you do a commission rate special for your consignor, you'll select none on your commission scale because the commission scale will override your commission rate. Okay. You have your commission on consignor statement will be calculated using the commission rate and item minimum commission per lot, whichever is greater. You have choices, the statement minimum or both commissions or the item minimum. And here's your required minimum commission amount for an item that belongs to this consignor. If your minimum is 0, leave it at 0. If it's higher, go higher. We also require a minimum sum of total commissions for all items that belong to this consignor sold in a particular sale. You can leave it at the minimum based on the minimum here. Commission on sale, no sale. If checked, minimum commission will be charged on a line item if the item doesn't get sold. So if you want the commission charged on it, on the items that don't get sold, check that button. Matched bidder, none selected bidders, or you can search your bidders. You can match a bidder to your consignor. Parent consignor, this is if you have a consignor that is working For another consignor, you can assign a parent consignor, and you can link their accounts to a pre-existing consignor account. Permissions. Remember that username and password we talked about? This allows your consignor whether they're going to bid, maybe they're a relative who wants to buy back their items, or you can allow user and matched accounts to bid on items consigned by their user and track buybacks for settlement. User must be allowed to bid above to use this option. View consigned items. Show consignor name. If you want the consignor name on the items, all their items. View statements. They will be able to view the statements. They will not be able to alter the statements. You can also email this information that you've set up above to your consignor. Let's go add the consignor. John Johnny has been added. So when we have a sale and John Johnny's piano is being sold, then I can add him as a consignor to the piano. That is how you add your consignors. If you have a list of consignors, it's a great thing to get them all in your system before you start selling. Thank you.